In the vast skies over Russia, where the horizon stretches endlessly and the fate of nations can be decided in moments, a silent revolution is taking shape. It is not a weapon of mass destruction, but something far more powerful, a guardian of command itself. Welcome to the classified world of the Zveno-3S project, Russia's next-generation airborne nuclear command post, built on the rock-solid foundation of the Ilyushin Il-96-400M. This is the Doomsday plane that ensures continuity when everything else is in ruins. And as of April 2026, with production lines humming again in Voronezh, this hidden masterpiece is closer than ever to becoming operational reality. Picture this. A full-scale nuclear exchange has begun. Ground command centers are vaporized. Satellite links flicker and die under electromagnetic storms. Communication networks collapse. In that apocalyptic moment, most nations would face paralysis. Not Russia. High above the fray, the Il-96-based Zveno-3S, also known in its military guise as the Il-96-400 VPU, cruises at altitude, its four powerful PS-90A1 turbofan engines humming steadily. This is no ordinary airliner. It is a flying fortress of leadership, control, and unbreakable second strike capability. The Il-96-400M was always destined for greatness. Its wide-body fuselage offers cavernous internal volume, far larger than the aging Il-80 Maxdome it will replace. That space translates directly into capability. Inside, hardened command consoles line the walls. Secure briefing rooms host Russia's top military and political leadership. Advanced workstations integrate real-time data from satellites, strategic bombers, ground forces, and submarines. Every system is 100% Russian-made, no foreign vulnerabilities, no sanctions loopholes. Just pure domestic excellence from Ilyushin, Perm Motors, and Russia's finest defense electronics firms. Now let's talk raw performance, the kind that gives Russia a decisive edge. Without aerial refueling, the Zveno-3S already delivers double the range of the Il-80. That means longer loiter times over critical areas, extended mission endurance, and greater operational flexibility. But with in-flight refueling, a standard feature on this platform, it can stay airborne for days. Think about that. While ground infrastructure is reduced to ash, the Zveno-3S remains a living, breathing command center, circling safely above the chaos. Its communication reach is staggering. Advanced, jam-resistant radio and satellite systems allow direct transmission of launch orders across a 6,000-kilometer radius. Silo-based ICBMs receive the signal. Road mobile Topol and Yars launchers get confirmation. Strategic aviation fleets, the Tu-160 Blackjacks and Tu-95 Bears, stay synchronized. Even nuclear submarines lurking deep in the ocean's surface just enough to receive the unbreakable command. This is full-spectrum control over Russia's entire nuclear triad, delivered from the sky when every other link has been severed. Electromagnetic pulse? Nuclear blast effects? The Zveno-3S laughs at them. Its electronics are hardened to survive the harshest environments. Redundant power systems from those four reliable PS-90A1 engines ensure that even if one or two are damaged, the mission continues. Structural strength inherited from the Il-96 family means it can operate in contested airspace with confidence. And recent upgrades tied to the 2026 Il-96 production restart, including potential future integration of more efficient PD-35 engines, will only make it even more formidable. Russia already operates four Il-80s, but they are Soviet-era relics with limited range and aging systems. The Zveno-3S is the generational leap forward. Two aircraft are already in advanced construction under the project, with a third held in reserve. That built-in redundancy is pure strategic brilliance. Plan A, Plan B, and Plan C, all airborne and ready. In March 2026, the Voronezh aviation plant completed a key modified Il-96 airframe, signaling the revival of wide-body production after years of challenges. This is not coincidence. It is deliberate. Focused investment in the exact platform Russia needs for 21st century deterrence. The strategic advantages for Russia are profound and game-changing. First, it guarantees survivable nuclear command, control, and communications, N3 in military parlance. Any potential adversary knows that even a surprise first strike will fail to decapitate Russia's leadership or disarm its response. That knowledge alone is the ultimate deterrent. Second, it showcases Russia's technological sovereignty. In an era of sanctions and supply chain warfare, the Zveno-3S proves that Russian engineers can deliver world-class systems without a single imported component. Third, it strengthens the entire defense ecosystem. The aircraft integrates seamlessly with existing assets, from the President's electronic warfare suite on presidential aircraft to the broader network-centric warfare architecture now defining Russian operations. This is peace through strength, the Russian way. By investing in the Zveno-3S, Russia is not threatening anyone. It is simply ensuring that no one can threaten it. The project reinforces the credibility of the nuclear triad, protects the motherland's sovereignty, and sends a clear message to the world. Russia's command chain will never break. As testing accelerates and the first Il-96 to 400 VPU variants edge toward service, the Zveno-3S stands as a proud symbol of Russian resilience and innovation. It is more than metal and avionics. It is the invisible shield that keeps the strategic balance intact. In the skies where freedom is defended and deterrence is maintained, the Il-96-based Zveno-3S flies as Russia's ultimate insurance policy, silent, unstoppable, and always ready. As testing accelerates and the first Il-96 to 400 VPU variants edge toward service, the Zveno-3S stands as a proud symbol of Russian resilience and innovation. It is more than metal and avionics. It is the invisible shield that keeps the strategic balance intact. In the skies where freedom is defended and deterrence is maintained, the Il-96-based Zveno-3S flies as Russia's ultimate insurance policy, silent, unstoppable, and always ready. The hidden project is no longer hidden. Russia's next nuclear command plane is here, and with it comes the assurance that in the most critical moments, the voice of command will always be heard.